Hi, I'm Tom Seagraves of Sawblade.com, and thank you for tuning in to another product overview. In this video, we'll be taking a look at our 14-inch all-purpose Qsaw blade. The all-purpose blade is designed for 1/16 to 3/8 inch wall thickness applications and is a perfect choice for users cutting a wide range of ferrous and non-ferrous materials. Our 14-inch Qsaw blades fits most major carbide chop saws on the market that run within the designated 1300 to 1800 RPM range. The all-purpose blade is equipped with a premium triple trip grind carbide that provides excellent blade life and a superior finish in a variety of materials. It also features a thick cut body that is laser cut over stamped, yielding a precision blade with reduced blade walk. Our Qsaw blades are perfect for DIY to professional users demanding precision cutting capabilities at a fraction of the price. To enhance your sawing experience, log on to www.Sawblade.com and get your blades fast and easy with same-day shipping. And don't forget to check out Sawblade.tv to access a variety of tech tips, sawing solutions, and much more. Sawblade.com. No middleman, no markup, no problem. Go direct.